Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and in today's video I'm doing this Brazilian wool crochet hairstyle tutorial. This hairstyle is the bomb. It's easy to do, it's budget friendly, and also the texture, it feels like my natural hair. So without much talking, let's get right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also give this video a thumbs up. So for this tutorial, I'll be using 3 packs of the Brazilian wool. I'll go ahead and cut it to the length I want. I think the final length was between 28 and 30 inches. I'm not sure, but it's around that area. So to help me cut, I wrap it around my arm. That's the easiest and convenient way to measure and cut. This prevents wasting and tangling of the yarn.
And all your tendencies of playing hard to get me again. No, me are not the man them when you used to fuck.
And since I'm going for a much longer length, I only cut one end of it. If you're going for a shorter length, then you cut both ends. So that's what we have here. It's looking more like individual strands. You don't want that. The ends are also so blunt. You don't want that. So go ahead and feather the ends. We want a more natural look. So you can do so by just brushing through or separating the strands.
Jesus, take the lead. Look what I got so sweet. No make no waste Monday. Everybody need. One day I wonder if you're real. Cause girls like you are to believe. Yeah, girl, can make me sweet, you like my tea. Fuck you, make you rich, and just so I can skin your teeth. For you real, your pretty pussy so pretty.
So that's all 3 packs of the yarn prepped, and now we're ready to install.
Burn it slowly.
So now moving on, since there's a crochet with leave out, so I'll go ahead and section out my leave out. I'm doing a deep middle path, after which I'll braid the rest of the hair into a cornrow for the crochet.
No, me and not the man that we used to fuck at all. Use it to know, but just to drive you up the wall. And use it for a no way, I went off tips in the mall. Then boy, you like your nose. Girl, you're never born for side. Preach. Say Jesus, take the lead. Look what a girl so sweet. No make no yes, man, take a shit. Body neat. One day, my one day, if you real.
My cornrow braids is just the basic one. It's 2 braids going across at the back and the rest and all back.
Jesus, take the lead. Look what a girl so sweet. No make no yes, no make no yes, body neat. One day I wonder if you're real. Cause girls like you are to believe. Girls like you are to believe. Oh. Your body's like a drug, I can't keep rid of. And it's like, you know what I'm body, yeah. Cause it's like your body coming like crack. Why you gotta do me like that, yeah? Come on in. Don't mean to make a big deal, but just how you walk with your head high up in the air.
I'm done with the cornrow braids, and that's how it's looking now. Moving on to the easiest part of this tutorial, crocheting the hair in. So I'll take my crochet pin, and that's how much hair I'm crocheting in at a time. I believe at this point we all know how to crochet, so I'll let this roll and I'll be back when I'm done crocheting.
See you looking like a Barbie, yeah. And I know you want me cause your eyes been on me, yeah. On me, yeah. But I say you don't want me. I ain't the nigga you can fuck with as a homie. And I ain't tryna be lonely. So know I gotta do more than you know. Let's find out right here. Cause your body's like a drug. I can't keep rid of. And it's like, you know what I'm body, yeah. Cause it's like your body coming like crack. Why you gotta do me like that? Cause your body's like a drug. I can't keep rid of. And it's like, you know what I'm body, yeah. Girl, why you want to coming like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Yeah. Ride it like a rodeo. Kill it dicey, adios. It's up like a domino. Onto your sexy body, oh. Ride it like a with you, indicating that you the price. So give it all the guys, get you a nigga who gon' do you right, just to make your people know you right for life. Enough sex, that free me in the light with all them flags red. I'ma treat you, promise me not gonna make you see through. Like your ex, them go wish that they was still your people. Let's run up right here. Just your body's like a drug. I can't keep it up in his life. You don't want nobody else. It's like your body coming like crack. Why you gotta do me like that? Just your body's like a drug. I can't keep it up in his life. You don't want nobody else. Girl, why you have to do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Yeah. Ride it like a rodeo. Kill it tight, say adios. Let's stop like a domino. Onto your sexy body. Ride it like a rodeo. Kill it tight, say adios. Let's stop like a domino. Onto Let me tell you, girl, it's something in the way that you move. Hey, about my telly, say enough things that I'm trying to do to you. Come in like how you are tease me. Come please me, get down on a knee.
So I'm done crocheting all the wool and it's looking cute and beautiful already. That's how it's looking from the top and that's how it's looking from the back. Now moving on to the Leaveout. First I'm going to blow dry it and try to blend it in with the Brazilian wool. So here I was trying to blend in my natural blowout hair with the Brazilian wool, but I think it wasn't giving what I wanted it to give. It wasn't so good, so I decided to flat iron it a bit but under low heat, and the result was so good and marvelous and beautiful. It blended in so well. You see me do my happy dance. I was so happy with how it came out.
Too nice for your man, forgive your man, cause you know I want you. I just the way, I just the way, I just the way, I just the way, girl, I just the way, I just the way, I just the way, I just the way.
Now see how perfect that blends in. I was so happy with the results. See me do my happy dance. Everything was given, the blend was given, the hairline was given, everything was given 10 over 10. I was so happy with how it came out. You can't even tell me that's not my hair. Like, let's be honest. At this point, the number of compliments I received on this hair and the people curious to know whether it's my hair or not, that should tell you how much this mimics the natural hair. And the good part is all this was done with less than $1. So for the flyer, I said to set everything in, I sprayed in a bit of the got to be spray and we're good to go. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, any suggestion, anything you want me to do next, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit that bell notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video, and follow me on all my socials. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be smart, be creative, and be beautiful.
Baby, I don't wanna be your friend. Wanna be the type we got you smiling on a regular. Meet me on the corner in a 10. Blown a little thing, what girl, me know it, I go circle, yeah. So back up, got someone time for me. Jack up, got some of the area. There's some braid in my nose, but baby, get your smile on my. You want it only. I know you want me, I see you smiling, shit.